Good morning. I am going to show you how I make my homemade iced coffee. My sister requested this video because she's been getting into iced coffees too. I'm not a regular coffee drinker. I'll drink coffee like before a night shift, or like sometimes if I'm just feeling like I want a coffee, I'll have one, but I'm not like a coffee drinker every day. So yeah, I have everything set up here. So I make a little espresso shot in here, and I add this coffee, which is the Western Family Caramel Truffle. It's not like the best quality coffee, but I like the taste, so I do that. And so I'm just going to pour it into the glass. And then for a bit of sweetness, I add a little bit of maple syrup, probably like half a teaspoon or something. Stir that up. And then what I do is I add some type of milk. So I use the Earth's Own So Fresh oat milk. This is the unsweetened vanilla. I usually get the unsweetened original. It doesn't really have like a flavor, but this was the only one available at the grocery store, so I'm just gonna use this. And stir it all up. And then what I do is I add ice the rest of the way. Now, my roommates told me that that is not the way to do it. You do ice, milk, then the espresso over top. But this is just how I do it. It's not fancy. It tastes good to me. This just makes like one shot, but we have a bigger one, which makes like a few. So like a lot of people could have it. You could make it in a Keurig. Just like use whatever coffee you have and use like the espresso function, or like if you have like an espresso maker, you can make it that way, or any way you make your coffee, and just like add the ingredients you want. But yeah, so I add ice to this, stick a straw in there, and it's pretty tasty. Thanks for watching.